Giraffe blocks payment method changes when the current payout setup is locked to a pending withdrawal, a verified account connection, or a server session that hasn't fully refreshed after a previous payout request. By the end, you'll understand why you can't change your Giraffe payment method and the exact steps to unlock it and switch it successfully. First thing to check is whether you have a pending withdrawal. Giraffe usually locks payment settings while a payout is processing to prevent mismatches. If there's an active request, you won't be able to change PayPal or any other payout method until it completes or fails. Next, check your current account connection. If your PayPal or email is already verified and linked, the app often restricts switching until you remove the existing connection first. Go into the payment settings and see if there's an option to disconnect or remove the current method before adding a new one. Another common issue is session syncing. If you recently logged in, reinstalled the app, or switched devices, Giraffe may still be using an old session state that temporarily blocks changes. Fully close the app, reopen it, and wait a few minutes to let the server sync your account status. Also check for account verification restrictions. If your payout method hasn't been fully verified or confirmed, the app may lock changes to prevent invalid transfers. Open your PayPal account or payment profile and confirm that your email and identity verification steps are completed. If everything looks correct, but the option is still blocked, clear the app cache. Stored data can keep old payment settings active even when the server has already updated your account. After clearing cache, restart your phone and reopen the app to force a clean reload. Another factor is regional or provider limitations. Some payout methods are restricted based on country, and Giraffe may lock changes if the system detects incompatible payment options for your region. In that case, only supported methods will appear as selectable. If none of these steps work, log out of your account and log back in using the same sign-in method you originally used. This resets the payment configuration sync and often unlocks the ability to edit payout settings again. If the issue still persists, it's likely a server-side restriction tied to your account status, or a temporary bug in the payment module, which only support can manually reset. Quick summary. Payment method changes are usually blocked by pending withdrawals, active connections, or sync issues. Check payout status first, then remove the current method, then refresh your session. Most cases are not permanent locks, just temporary restrictions while the system processes payments. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.